Vital Breath anti-choking device is marketed as an emergency rescue tool that supposedly removes airway blockages in seconds using suction. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it another fear-based product with exaggerated claims? Now, to be fair, anti-choking suction devices are a real category of emergency products, and there are documented cases where similar devices may have helped clear airway obstructions after standard methods failed. What it does well may work as a backup emergency tool. Devices like this are designed to create suction that may help remove food or objects blocking the airway. Some users and caregivers report successful real-world use with similar products. Can potentially be self-administered. One reason these devices attract attention is that they may be usable when someone is choking alone and unable to perform a Heimlich on themselves, where it falls short. Not officially recommended as standard first response. This is the biggest issue. Major organizations like the American Heart Association and Red Cross still prioritize back blows, abdominal thrusts, and standard choking first aid, not suction devices. Limited scientific evidence. Research on these devices is still limited. Consumer Reports noted that evidence mainly comes from mannequin studies, cadaver testing, and self-reported success stories rather than large independent clinical trials. May not work on every obstruction. Some studies found suction devices removed certain soft blockages, but failed on harder foods like grapes or nuts. So, does the Vital Breath anti-choking device actually work? Short answer. It might help in some emergencies, but it is not scientifically proven as a guaranteed choking solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.